Alright guys, I finally got that stupid grill pulled off.
Stupid grill.
Exactly. It actually pulled off the same as the Cadillac grill. So, you just kind of push these tabs down and then you push back on the grill. So it was a little different. You pulled out on the Cadillac grill, but...
You don't pull out.
I know you don't. Anyways, I'm pulling off these little, like, I don't even know what do you call these?
What? Oh, splash shield slash. They work kind of like an airbox.
Oh, okay.
On the late model.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of pulling all those off. And of course, you know, the plastic being almost 14 years old, it just snaps some of it. So.
Of course.
But they're little plastic clips. They're like a penny.
Yeah, we have a bin of them, dude.
Yeah, exactly. So no worries there. So I'm gonna keep ripping that stuff apart and just take things apart until it's all out of our way. So, see you guys soon. Alright guys, like I showed you, got the grill off. We've got the AC drained. We vacuumed it out and everything. And then we disconnected the lines. And currently trying to disconnect transcooler lines, which are routed into the radiator. And then here's our little transcooler. But this is giving me a little trouble. I can't get much twist out of it. I've tried putting my actual hose pliers on it. It kind of wraps around the hose, kind of like that, and then you can pull. If I get that on there, can't twist it or pull or try and twist it to break it free. Have to fight that a little more. We've got all these disconnected. So, yeah, we're getting there. That's coming out. So I think I just need to get this disconnected, and then I can actually take all this out in one shot. And this power steering light right here. So let me do that real quick.